but summer is also a sweet season with variety of fruit. Lychee is one of the most common fruits during summer season in Vietnam. Currently, it's only less than $1 per kg in Vietnam. So today I would like to make a very simple lychee recipe. Lychee in syrup. Let's start. We're gonna need 1 kg fresh lychee. You can see my lychee color look ugly, right? Because I left in the fridge overnight. So you better make it right after buying the lychee. Anyway, it won't affect the quality of lychee meat. Then we need 300 grams rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use normal sugar, but the rock sugar will make the lychee taste better. Next step, we need to prepare a pot of water to boil. The water should be enough to cover the lychee. While the water boiling, we add the lychee and bring to boil for about 3 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare ice cold water. After 3 minutes, we remove the pot of lychee out of the stove and move the lychee to the ice cold water. We leave the lychee in the cold water until the lychee is completely cooled down. While waiting for the lychee to cool down, we prepare sugar syrup. Bring to boil 500 ml water, then add sugar and cook until the sugar completely dissolves. After the sugar dissolves, we off the heat and wait until the sugar completely cooled down. In the meantime, the lychee already cooled down, so now we peel out the lychees. After peeling out all the lychees, it's time to remove the seeds. Use the knife with the sharp tip and trim around the meat on the head of the seed. Then we take the seed out. If the seed still stick to the meat, we use the knife to trim around again and take out. Then we prepare a green jar. Pour the lychees into the jar. Pour the sugar syrup. Close it. Then we can put in the fridge for 8 hours. Then it can be served. With this jar of lychee, you can just add some ice to have a bowl of refreshing dessert, or you can make lychee iced tea. In the next video, I will show you guys how to make lychee iced tea. Thank you for watching my video. If you guys like my recipe, please click like and comment below, and subscribe me for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.